Alright, this is Buckos Math GED Practice Test 1, question number 19. It's kind of a practical use of surface area. This builder wants to paint a garage depicted below. This is a garage depiction. It's pretty bad. There's no roof on it, kind of. But anyway, you can kind of get the idea that it's a garage. A small end, which would be this end, or the back end, they're the same, that houses a door, the floor down at the bottom, and the roof are not to get painted. They want you to find the square footage that will require paint. So we're going to subtract a few sides. We're going to subtract the roof, the back, or the front, either one, and the floor. All right, so I need more space, so I'm going to have to erase the original question. You should have it on a sheet of paper. If you don't have the paper that goes with this, ask me for it, and I'll get you a copy. These are actually kind of fun to draw. You should practice that if you get a chance. It's kind of fun. So it gives you a chance to practice your skills. And this is the way I do it. There's a lot of different ways of doing it. This is the way I do it. And you can put dotted lines in there if you want. Okay, this guy's 8 feet tall. From here to here. And it's 12 feet here. And 20 feet deep. And we're doing surface here because we're talking about paint. And we're not going to do this surface because that's going to house a door. We're not going to do this surface because that is the ceiling or the roof. And we're not going to do the floor, which is down, kind of down here. So the way I set these up to keep them organized, I do a thing called front and back. Top and the bottom. In the left side and the right side. But remember, front and back, we're only going to do one of them. We normally would do two. If we were painting the whole thing, you know, if there was no door, floor, or ceiling involved, we would just add all these together. But since we got to subtract a few, we have to kind of customize this fit. So front and back is 8 by 12. And we're only going to do one. If there were two of them, if there were two faces, I would put a 2 there. But since we're only doing one face, the back, that's going to get painted, because this side is going to get a door, we're just going to put in one. Top and the bottom don't apply, because the top would be a roof, right? And that's not going to get painted. And the bottom would be the floor, so that's not going to get painted. So this guy is out of the picture completely. But the left and the right are going to get paint. The left side, or the right side over here, would be 20 by 8. 20 by, if this is 8, this is 8. And that is 8. And the back is 8, okay? 8 feet by 20. How many faces like that? Left and right? 2 of them. So you pull all that stuff into a calculator. Are you criticizing me? Did I do something wrong? Well, then why are you stopping me, champ? Man, I'm on a roll. You cannot stop genius, okay? Just don't do it. That's all right. Let's do this one. That's okay. I thought maybe I did something wrong. Front and back, is 8 times 12 would be 96 today. 96 what? Feet squared, right? Because it's feet times feet is feet squared. You ever see anybody with a square foot? Maybe a robot. Square foot. That's kind of weird. All right, so we got 96 square feet there. And we're going to do these guys here. The left and right. It's 8 feet by 20 feet. It'd be 8 times 2 is 16, followed by a 0. Times 2. And 2 16 is going to be 32, right? Or just simply add them up. 320 feet squared. So if you add this guy and that guy, you're going to get the total square footage of the building that you need to paint. Got 410 square feet. Now let me look at my paper and make sure I get it right. Nope. I didn't. Cause 6 and 0 is not 0. It's 6. So it's 416 feet squared, and you should always check your work, because even geniuses like me can make a mistake. Right, Damien?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, got it.